Industrial flatbed heat press machine. Specifically designed for cut part digital printing. Double stations. Left and right replacement alternately, higher efficiency. Simplified control panel. Automatic and manual modes are optional, temperature and time can be preset. More convenient design for placing clothes. The design is convenient to put the clothes into the station, the press before and after is convenient to place and position, and the high-temperature cloth sleeve slides into the fast. High-precision heating plate. High flatness, uniform heating. The error of the center edge temperature is less than plus or minus 1 degree. Ensures perfect prints every time. Durable heated mat. Thick and reliable heated mat pads with a thickness of 1 cm ensure no deformation or displacement and a long service life compared with other heat presses. Bottom plate can be changed/replaced. One machine multi-purpose design, the following bottom plate can be replaced with different products suitable for pressing. Multiple sizes plates optional. 16 by 24 inches, /16 20 inches, /15 15 inches, which can meet order requirements for various materials and sizes. Top-end components and pressure regulators. Ensure long-term work without air leakage. 10 mm high-temperature resistance gas pipe does not deform. With superior components, the machine's maintenance expenses are minimized. Stable machine body structure. Robust and solid construction of the machine's body ensures stability and long-lasting durability, built to withstand the toughest workloads. Automatic induction pressure. Starting to press down if the head is slightly off, the machine will automatically lift. The machine must be moved into position by hand to press down. Safe. Designed to prevent accidents. Widely used for flat printable materials, such as garments, canvas bags, pillows, leather, cushions, metal plates, and so on. Heat, press, and dominate the market.